at you. Zoe said herself she wanted to go on the leash. Wow. Sorry, Zoe. Espera. Wow. No, fuck. Yeah. Get wet. No. Zoe, espera. Back in the forest. See how it goes. Now we need to turn it. No, it's not on. Yes, maybe like that. No?
No, I lost it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Lost it.
Why did you put it there? You get it?
Hey? Okay.
Got it. Is it on?
I'll give it to you. You took it out of there.
You always say that.
You took it out of the socket.
What a mess.
You'll pull the hose out now somehow. Ain't nothing in there. Ain't nothing in the hole. See, I say it's in that one.
Well,
I reckon it's in this one.
let's see.
Let's put this one back together again.
Yeah, no, because if there's nothing in here, then maybe it needs to go in there. And then we need to take it off
Oh,
again.
yeah, and we need to take it off again.
Yeah.
To find out where it should be.
Why do you always do this to me, Richard? Let me work on cars.
13, 12.
Take filter off, right?
Yeah. I should twist out of there now.
It's a very long bolt again, Richard. I don't know what Mazda has on this bolt.
Good old Mazda.
Move, bitch, out of the way. Making sure it gets in the video, right?
Why is everything? What? But I hate cars.
But it's basically the same system, right? Only a little more complicated, Richard.
And smaller.
Is there going to be a thermostat in there? Give me your best guess in the comments.
That should have come off. It's just a sealer that's holding it on.
The hose is not coming off, Richard. That's like glued on there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now what? Now still everything is in the way.
Now everything's still in the way, isn't it?
Why is it not coming out?
It's stuck in there.
Easy, 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 easy. Maybe it's still good. You're fucking it up already.
Oh! It's well and truly in there.
Seems a bit rusted.
Yeah.
WD-40.
No. WD-40.
No?
No. Eh?
If you bend it. Now it's definitely full bar. It's out though.
It's out there. Yeah, I reckon that don't work.
It's still moving.
Oh, you've got to heat it up to see if it works, put in boiling water and see if it works. But looking at it, I would have said no. I'd have said no. Like a blood transfusion when I come up here.
No sweat?
No sweat,
tears.
no tears, just blood. Oh, there
The
she
wind.
goes. There she's gone. Done it.
Well, I cleaned it up.
No,
Should I
it's
put it
all right.
in?
Yeah.
Put it in. It's in. Does it matter how it goes in?
Yeah.
No,
No,
I mean
no, it doesn't
like-
matter which
like
way.
this or
No, it
like
doesn't
this?
matter which way. No, it doesn't matter which way it goes in. But it does matter which way the gasket goes on.
Maybe if you wouldn't hate them so much, they wouldn't hate you so much. That's why they're giving us a hard time.
Hard time.
Yep. Uncle Richard.
Hard time.
Uncle Richard.
Everything's so tight.
How did we ever get? Oh, with the spanner.
With the spanner, that.
Oh, I was on the wrong one. You're so funny, Richard.
Oh, you're so funny.
So how tight does this need to go?
Like that. Just watching your arms flex.
You got them on yet?
Simple answer is no. Why?
Why are you leaning on the car?
Yeah, why?
Because the air filter is stuck under the car.
Oh. Is that better?
Still stuck. Got it. How did we do that? How did you do that?
Oh dear.
Richard. How did you manage that? Huh?
It's upside down, you coconut.
Oh, that's the top. Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? There's the freaking bottom. Oh, oh.
I think I chose the wrong side. I should have taken the glory and done the other side.
Oh yeah. Now there's glory, it's your side. Where do I know that from? Who always does that? Huh?
The Dutchman.
Maybe you want to go and come back when I'm finished. Hold the screwdriver. Click. Need some help?
I don't know yet.
You're not getting paid overtime for this, Richard. Come on. I think you need to take the top one out. Maybe this plug also needs to go in here. Huh?
Yeah, it's not.
You took this off, right?
Yeah.
I put it back in.
Right.
You want to take the top one out?
Good job you turned up. I'll take the top one out then.
Okay. Nah, 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 nah.
Oh. We can't take the top one out.
Should I do it?
I've done it up too tight.
No, it's not. It's not even tight.
Yeah, that's too tight for me little pinkies.
Oh. So the camera wasn't on, but just so you guys know, I fixed it.
Oh, I struggle.
You gotta be nice to his mustache, otherwise it will hurt you.
Come on. Don't spill a drop.
Uh-oh. Something's dripping.
That's where you spilled it.
No.
Yeah.
Definitely not, Richard.
Huh?
It's coming out of the thing. It's coming right out of there.
So you got to take it off again.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it's tight.
God damn it.
I'll have to put some sealer on it.
Yeah, I'll take the old sealant off at least, because that's probably what's causing it.
Possibly.
There's a lot of kind of sealant stuff. Ugh.
Try again.
That one's empty. That's it.
Filled up?
Yep.
Everything. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Huh?
Still 8 cars. Right, we're going to go down the land again?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get the fan to work then.
Don't put your finger in there. What?
No, I've got hot there. Whichever one of these is a sender unit. That might be a sender unit there. I don't know. I don't know.
What is that? Sending?
That there. That might be the temperature gauge.
Ah.
That one. I don't know. Just start it up again, please.
With this wobbling stuff?
Yeah. Just to see if this fan does cool it down. Yet. If that's the sender, I don't know if that's the sender. The temperature gauge, I don't know. It's going into the water, so I'm just assuming that that's it. But there's so many sender bits on it. I don't know, because we've got all these, it's really air, but